Anyway. Yes.
I have one number to show you your table.
Oh.
Wondering what I've been doing out here. At about 7:45, I put in the long-handled basket all the potatoes for tonight's final boil, and a little bigger pinch of salt. The type of potatoes we use in our boil are called B-red or new potatoes. Each one has a little piece cut off, so the salt penetrates into the potatoes. A moment ago, I put in the short-handled basket all the fish for tonight's final boil, and another pinch of salt. Now the reason we add the salt isn't to make the food taste salty. What it does is raise the specific gravity of the water, then bring these fats and oils to the top. Then when I throw kerosene on the fire, it superheats the water. The fats and oils that have come to the top then boil over, and you have a cleaner tasting fish. The type of fish we use in our boil is Lake Michigan whitefish. The whitefish are caught locally, roughly from Ellison Bay on the Green Bay side to Bailey's Harbor on the Lake Michigan side. Fish boil started in Door County a little more than 110 years ago as a fast and efficient way of feeding people in lumber camps. Over time, it continued at church picnics, bazaars, and other types of gatherings. And in 1961, the White Gull started serving fish boil to the general public. Anybody have any questions at this time? Go ahead, Sarah.
Hendrickson?
Mimi, are you enjoying the fish boil? Can you tell us? Here at the White Gull? You're ignoring me, honey. The boil over is going to be pretty soon. Oh. All right, we'll see.
Do them on Friday nights all winter long. So. Really? Yeah, it's a little bit of rain and nothing compared to freezing rain or snow or walking around on ice out here.
Brett? Would you come with me? I'll show you where your table is.
Just one
Usually just one boil on a Friday night. We have enough reservations to open it up. Normally one at 7 o'clock. If you go at 5:30, people aren't up here yet. Okay, go at 8:30, right? More likely they've gotten up here and they've already eaten. So there's one at 7 o'clock. No, just a lot of tourists. Sure. There's some up, there's 5 state parks in Door County or whatever. Cross-country ski, a lot of fish. In a moment, I'm going to throw the kerosene on the fire. Everybody looks like they're safe.
Let's do this.
Don't be talking.
All right, here we go.
Oh, it's warm. Nice and warm. And there's the boil over. Our fish is inside there.
It's like last night. We're all in the chair.
There goes our food. We'll eat in a few moments.